So I've been told to do some vlogs. So I wanted you to see what my current setup is, because this is freaking cool. You guys are gonna love this. Hold on. So most of you guys out there, you got these. And I started watching a movie on my phone. And this is Eddie and the Cruisers. And what it is these rubber bands. Where my tempo? It's fucking perfect, man. So anyway. Alright. So you guys have been wanting content, I hear. So last night I'd been here since about 11 o'clock a.m. processing wood, you can see. But hell, I don't know, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the evening, I started hearing these V-twins, and they got closer and they pulled in. And there was 4 guys from Ohio, man, good dudes, nice bikes. They camped. We freaking was up kind of late, drinking, just partying. Having fun. Alright, so as you can see, my fire is going. I'm gonna go over here and say hello to my freaking neighbors, man. So yeah, y'all got a pack of freaking water today too? Yeah, can't talk. I'm gonna hit up Burgoon over here. Your name sounds like a Louisiana hot dish or something.
Hey man, we all about it. We full of goods and spices.
Where'd your name come from, do you know? Your mom, right? Yeah.
I have a Norsec name. I'm as white gets.
White as white gets, huh?
White as white gets, man.
You get a freaking nice freaking shadow, dude.
I appreciate
I love that paint scheme.
It's a 98. It's got the classic scheme to it. She rides like a dream. 70, 75, purrs like a kitten.
Bye, Bert. How'd that VLX do for you today, man?
Real good, real good. Them extended forks help out.
Dude, it's a breeze, ain't it?
Yeah, take them curves like they're supposed to.
Those forward controls is perfect.
Yeah,
I try to tell everybody this is the perfect starter bike.
I agree with that. I ain't gonna argue with that.
I mean, you could start on this and never get off it, you know? Hey, what y'all cooking?
I'm gonna make a hobo pack. We're gonna
Oh, no shit.
put some ground beef in here, some onions, corn, mushrooms, potatoes, a little bit of butter, wrap it all up, throw it in the hot coals, and call her a day.
You mind being on camera?
I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care.
What are you doing over here, man?
Making a fire so we can eat. Because everybody's got to eat, right?
Mine's already lit if you want to use it.
We appreciate that. But it's kind of like...
So yeah, they stayed the night. We hung out. Good dudes. They went on the Bourbon Trail, one of the trails, I think. One's got a VLX 600, almost stock. It's stock. One's got a 98 Ace. Nice two-tone color, man. God, I love that green, that color of it. One's got a, what is it, Road King? Nice. 11. Freaking big old bars. And one's got a 1200. Newer model. Well, somewhat. It's a nice bike. Every one of those bikes are awesome bikes. I'd own every one of them in a heartbeat. Now, I've owned, in essence, two of them. My bobber and my bagger. Yeah, the VLX and the Ace. I own them. Fucking gluttonous.